I don't know how to do intros. So I'm at Michael's. I'm getting fabric paint because I'm working on a pair of jeans today. I'm so excited. The sun is going down, so I'm trying to be quick. Pretty much, I'm painting a pair of jeans, putting some rhinestones on it, and calling it an art project. So, I don't know. It's only my third day out here. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's only my third day out here. I don't know.
Yo.
Anyways, let's go. Now, but we're leaving Michael's and going to my house to start on the jeans. I've never been more excited in my life. Bye. So it's a few days later. Oh, I don't think I've showed you guys the design. So this is inspired by this YouTube video. He did orange, or sorry, he did purple, but I'm gonna do orange, you know. So first I did this layer with a beauty blender with just the white fabric paint to make it kind of like glowy. I think I might add more to that, and then I'm gonna do the same type of effect with orange mixed with some white to make it like glowing orange. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm gonna show you guys when I do it. And yeah, this is how it looks so far. Okay, I kind of messed up because that orange turned out really ugly, so I added more white and it's looking a little bit better. I think it'll turn out fine, but I'm just gonna add more white to this side now. So I'm inside now and I've done the first leg, the white lightning bolts, and then the next step is to just do orange outlines of them. I think it looks good so far. Then I thought I was gonna mess up and like have to throw the whole thing away with the orange like glowy background, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. So we'll see. Jeans are done, so they look like this. Beautiful. I didn't get to film me doing the orange outlines or the rhinestones, but I think you guys can see them now. I'm so happy. But I took some pictures of me wearing them just with my phone. I'll put them up on the screen, and then I had a photo shoot recently that I wore them as one of my outfits, so I'll put those up too, and I'll have more pictures on my Instagram, so check those out. And check out the guy's channel who inspired me to do these jeans. I hope I inspired you guys to go and make your own custom clothing or paint something, just something like that in the spirit of Pisces season. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be back with another video soon. Promise.